You can see all that dust that's in there. We're going to blow this off. Oh boy, yeah, it's really gotten into that bearings. Hopefully we can get it cleaned out. Alright, I'm going to flip this thing up on its side, see if I can't get some oil inside that bearing. First I'm going to run it and see if I can't blow some of the usually you can't blow dust out of a bearing. Once it gets in there, it's hard to get it out unless you can pull the seal off. You can hear that thing, it sounds pretty bad. I bet the bearings are gone, but don't hurt to try it. Boy, it sounds like it might be in the motor bearings too. I don't know if I want to take this thing apart or not. See if I can't get some WD in there, get this thing. See if I can't get some of that dirt out of there. Blow this thing out. Alrighty. Give me a little oil and put in there. Alright, I'm going to get some 90. I'm going to get some 90 weight, put inside that gearbox, kind of loosen up the. So look down in there at all that grease that's gotten so hard. So I'm going to put a little 90 weight in there. Not going to put much, just a little bit to loosen it up, and then I'm going to put some more grease in there. Okay, I got some little bit of new grease and a little bit 90 weight oil. That should loosen everything up. That should at least keep that gear lubricated now. Got that bearing cleaned up, got some oil on it, so let's fire this thing up. Kind of amazed at that they made this thing so easy to take apart. Put that on there with 3 screws. I mean, normally you take stuff like this apart. It's 14 screws and cables and everything else you got to take off. I say, hot dang. Alright, let's plug it in and see what it sounds like now. It still sounds kind of bad, but I think it'll get it to the next job, and then we'll get some new bearings.